Good morning, folks. Jason here at Leisure Time Sales with a new arrival. We want to give you a look at this one, a fairly regular floor plan for us, as it's one of our best sellers, but we've had a hard time getting anything this year, as you know, so it's a real treat to have this on the lot. A 32 RBFQ Puma by Palomino, full featured family camper. Great for a seasonal lot, good size, you'll see when we get inside, but also very towable if you've got the right truck to move around. 3 slides on the back, opens up great living space, and then you've got all kinds of room here to put a deck on the front if you'd like. But there you get a look at the expansive living space on the back end with those 3 slide outs. Fully walkable roof. You've got your ladder installed on this one so you can get up, do your roof maintenance, sweep off those slides before you put it away. Here's a look at that beautiful outdoor kitchen. You've got the slide out propane fired flat top. Storage here to the left, microwave with the vent, fully plumbed in sink. Looking real good, nice counter space here. You've got a plug for your blender or ice maker, as well as a USB to keep everything charged. Of course, you've got a fridge for your beverages to keep them cold, and some storage underneath to keep all your tools out here you might need, bottle openers, burger flippers, that sort of jazz. Black tank flush in this one, which is a real nice feature. You want to keep everything neat and sanitized underneath. You've got a slide in for your TV. If you want to bring your TV outside, you can slide it right into this bracket. And you've got your plugs here for your television as well. Outdoor shower. If you want to rinse the kids off or rinse the dog off outside after a fun day of playing outside. Outdoor speakers on this one. You've also got your scare light built in here to this speaker. LED lights under the awning. Really makes for a nice outdoor camping space under this big, beautiful awning. Look at the size of this awning. We'll step back here and take a look at it before we head inside. The awning covers most of the camper, so you can really get a nice social space in the outside. Heading in, you'll notice we've got the step above steps right on the ground, so nice and sturdy as you walk in, no side-to-side wobble. So a treat today, we've got this one all lit up. A lot of times we do these videos really quick and on the fly, but we were in the middle of inspecting this one as it's just arrived, so we figured we'd plug it in, light it up, and let you folks see some of these features while it's all set up and ready to go. So right away, you've got the big slide here. You've got the large, really big U-shaped dinette that'll fold down and create a double bed. Storage above the couch which pulls out as well to create another couple sleeping spaces. So you got 4 spots to sleep on the slide out, depending on how much everyone likes everybody. So you can get a little extra company to stay the night. Stepping around to look at the entertainment center, you see the nice fireplace built into this one that'll blow out some heat, or you can just have it on for decorative effect. TV's already put into this one. It's a 40-inch TV. You've got your Bluetooth stereo system all set up and ready to go, so you can have your music inside or outside or both at the same time if the whole campsite is rocking. Taking a look at the kitchen, you've got storage here just as you come in. Storage under the sink, high-rise faucet. You got the rollers over top of the sink, and you've got a nice window there. We've got the blind closed at the moment, but that'll give you some extra ventilation when you're cooking. Storage above, your second microwave on the inside, 3-burner cooktop over top of the good size range on this one too. Take a look, you can actually get quite a good size casserole dish in there. Certainly your usual pizza pockets, pizzas, nachos, that sort of thing can heat up in there, no problem. 12-volt fridge on this one, really good size. As you can see, close to a residential size fridge and freezer space, so that if you're away for an extended period of time, you've got all kinds of space to store your groceries and have everything set and ready to go for long-term camping. Let's take a look at the front bedroom now. Again, with that slide out, you see all the floor space that you get with the east-west bed. In the slide, you've got storage above, nice window above the slide, and you've got another window at the other side of the camper, so you can get a little bit of a cross breeze. That window, of course, over a 3-drawer dresser, so you have all kinds of space. But speaking of space, no compromise here, because you've got a big closet to hang a few things in, and then you've also got up front shirt closet, wardrobe that goes the extent of the nose of the camper. And if you want to have another TV, certainly room for it right here. We've got a stud in the wall. You can get a TV built into the bedroom as well. Coming to the back of the camper now, you'll notice just as we go through, there's another storage spot here for a few things. You can use that as additional pantry space. Bathroom in this one, corner shower unit. Got a skylight above so it's nice and bright. Good size sink in this one. Foot flush toilet, little medicine cabinet, little marker light, little night light there. Vent in the ceiling to make sure everything stays fresh in here. Now, the star of the show, my favorite part of any camper, the bunkhouse. You've got an extra bedroom back here. Now, this couch will fold out to create a double bed, so you've got that option. If you've got adult company coming along or a teenager that might need a little more space, you can certainly fold that out. You can also use it to sit down and relax. Put another TV here if you'd like, and then this rear room actually becomes a living space for company. Or if the kids want to get away, or if, you want to get away for a little while, you can come back here and tuck yourself in and shut the door and have some privacy. Teddy bear finish on the mattresses in the bunk unit. And right here, we've got it folded up right now so we can take advantage of that living space. But this other bunk will drop down too. So you could actually have someone sleeping here on this teddy bear finish mattress, another one over here, fold this bed out, and although it's a little tight in the headspace, you could certainly get 4 people back here comfortably in the bunk room. No problem whatsoever. So this has been a look at the brand new recent arrival 32 RBFQ by Puma. Beautiful family camper, everything you'd need and more. Come on down and see us here at Leisure Time Sales in Quispamsis, our friends up in Moncton. We'd love to find a trailer to suit your needs. We're coming to the end of the season. Folks are thinking about what they want to have on their lot when they get there next year. Maybe looking to trade in something that they've been in for a while, looking to get something fresh. We've got new arrivals, recent trades, all kinds of options. Probably our best period of inventory all season long is right now. So come on and see us here. Again, Quispamsis Leisure Time Sales are our friends up in Moncton. We'd love to find a camper just for you.